Right, now that we are here, I thought I would show you how to replace the screen of the button phone. Let me clear the table such that it alone remains on the table. The rest are not relevant to what we are going to do. So we have this phone right here, and for some reason its screen is dead. Let me light it up and you see it just casts a blank picture, white in color. Now I have a donor screen right there, so I'm going to have to test it with this and see if this cuts the trick. There's also another one here, and I'm hoping one of these two should be working, but since I'm not certain, I'm going to test each of them just to be sure that they actually deliver. So I'll begin with this. I think I have more faith in it, and as such, let me just see what I can do. Okay, it's already open, but it has 1 2 3 4 5 6 screws, so let me get right in, and this comes out. So it seems like it's full of eco pins with this one, 2020, and that's what matters. Now we're going to take this opportunity to show you how to remove the old screen, and as such, pay attention. So this is how normally I go about it. Increase the temperature to a reasonable amount, and then using solder, apply some solder. Okay, let me first clean the tip of this soldering gun. See, the solder is oxidized around it and it's all dark, very helpful to my cause. Anyway, that said, now I'm going to apply some bit of solder, and then I'll hold the screen and twist it towards myself as I apply heat at the solder points, and that should allow for this screen to get off. Having gone off, the next thing is for me to get ready by cleaning and leveling this right here. So I come all the way, swabbing to and fro, just to make sure nothing remains, not even on that other side. Okay, I think that is looking good. So the next thing is I'm going to lower this temperature to a manageable amount, and then apply my flux right there. This allows for easy flow of solder, and so since we said that we are beginning with this one, you can see that it's physically the same size as the one we've just removed, and my prayer is that this is functioning. So anyway, I'm going to begin with when you look at this, is 1 up to 24, but this thing is 1 up to 20, so we're simply interested in 1, then having soldered 1. Now the problem is that once the solder is molten, this thing tends to want to spring up back, so I'm going to use this to press it down, and then make sure those are connected, and then I shall bring also the last end like that, okay, into place. Now that that is done, alright, okay, I hope there's no consequence that one of the terminal decided to jump off, but well and good. Let me do that, and try to use my screwdriver to press. I think the screwdriver will not serve the purpose that I wanted to serve, but okay. Okay, so I'm stuck with it. So bring that along the length like that. We'll just make it better with time. Okay. all of that down in one piece. Now that we have that, I can now try to find a better thing to press this down. Okay, I'm thinking this is much better and much flat. Okay, so I'm going to use that, then just rub that to and fro. My soldering gun seems to not be wanting to transfer heat, but alright, no problem. I think we'll be okay. I'll come all the way. Like that, like that, like that. So that's 3. Okay, keeping them nice and flat. Okay, now that we've done that, the thing is to bring our battery and hope that this screen works. I'm praying it works, because it is a good screen to lose. This is the power button. Probably not, but I think it is. This to suggest that that screen doesn't work. We need to hit the power button. Okay, could it be this? I think it's this one. Okay, that's a problem. So let's get this off and see. Okay, I'll connect that one terminal and see if it makes the difference. And I need some earphone wires for that. I've got my earphone wires, so let me remove the insulation of 8. I think this is going to be thicker than I want it to be. So let me just unravel and cut just a few strands with solder. Okay, I think this should be enough. Alright, okay, like that. And then we'll bring our flux and do that. So my soldering gun tip is not pointed anymore, very thick, but okay, no problem.